Troy Sessions look. He's like,
what?
But then he does like this. He goes.
The sugar lips call. That's
what did you hear? I said, I hear. He goes, are you sure? I said, yeah, I'm positive. Did you hear it? Then I go, there was again. And he goes, and that's what's through me. He goes and grabs a can.
You got any toilet paper?
Yeah. Wow.
Just like that, just waiting for the right one. Ooh, heart felt pumping out of my chest.
Excited? Good job.
Let's go.
I know you're all serious, but we just had a grizzly bear here. We're in camp. We just landed. Got the fire going, put our first load in. And how big is it? It's a giant, huh?
It's huge.
You're freaked out. You're like,
it's a big bear. Let's go.
you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy. Day one, dude. Look at the size of this joker. Started thrashing coming in. I could not believe it. And we are definitely blessed today. Check this bad boy out. He's a big old joker.
He's nice.
I am back there backing one out, and I hear this bull grunt going on and on and on. And it finally dawned on me, there's no way Troy is bull grunting that long. And I clean things up, come over here, and I'm like, my God, he's coming right into camp.
We were just hanging out over there and chit-chatting away and watching these two guys up in the plane just like showboating it up in the air. We thought there was an air show going on. And who knew that there was a wolf standing right behind us?
Right behind you. So here's camp.
And if we had only seen it.
Right there's camp. And this wolf came down the slough here, turned around right here. It's a marlin lever action as well. You picked a nice one for tree stand. Okay, well if you're not nervous, I'm going to follow you. You go first.
Okay, let's go.
I'm getting a little bit. I'm going to have to wash my hands.
Yeah.
Sorry about that.
Charlotte and I have been stranded here for 4 days now. This will be our 4th night, 5th day, something like that, on top of this mountain on this lake. But
look at him! Oh my God!
Look at the timing!
Holy! Oh man! Oh my word! From Harmon. Pretty cool stuff, huh?
Yeah. I haven't smelled it yet. Oh, I don't plan on
No,
it.
you don't want to smell?
Good job. Unbelievable.
That's